Hey everyone, since I know most of you live in California or other places that don't get any snow, I thought I'd show you what we've got going on here in Connecticut. It's blizzarding. It's been coming down steady since 9 o'clock this morning. Our driveway has already been plowed once, and you can see it's already covered again. Same with the driveways across the street. You can see how much snow is already on my car, and it's going to end up completely buried. So it's supposed to keep snowing until halfway through tomorrow, and we're supposed to get up to like 2.5 feet at the most. So the only positive is when it snows, it smells really nice out. It just has this clean smell that there's nothing like it. Anyway, I'll update you when there's more. Bye.